Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to bulk change status in Jira. So first open up the project where you want to bulk change your items and go from the list view to board view. Now all of this to do, I want to go right here into progress, but you can see that I don't want to go one by one. So I can simply change this to in progress. As you can see, and simply change this one to done or to do, I mean. And it is really simple. Now all of these are in progress and these are to-dos. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.